Hey, good morning, first period. I just wanted to give an update on everything that's going on and tell you what I know and what I'm being told and what's going on with your schedule and everything happening, um, as well as just to check in and make sure everyone's doing all right. So first thing, I hope everyone's doing well. I imagine like you, your schedule and your normal routine is completely backwards and upside down, and everything's kind of weird. Some of you may be taking care of siblings. You might be having to go to work. You might having to be staying home for work. I don't know. But like you, I imagine that their schedule is my schedule is certainly a lot weirder. Everything's just been kind of crazy, and I hope you're not getting too bored. I hope you're not losing your mind being stuck in your house all day, and hopefully you got enough data to last you through the next few weeks on your plans. But I just hope everyone's doing okay, and telling you what I know from school and tell you what I know of what's going on. So first thing is that all grades that are in the grade book are locked. They're closed. I can adjust them, but as far as new work being assigned or anything happening, none of that's going to be happening at all. It's whatever is in the grade book right now. The only thing that needs to be changed on your class's end is your Lord of the Flies essays. So once I get those all graded and put in, that's what your grade's going to be for term 3. Now, there was a previous email sent out by the district saying that there's going to be an opportunity when we come back to raise your grade or improve things. I have no idea if that's true anymore. We don't even know if we're going to be coming back this year. I know that in Ventura, the schools here are saying at least May 1st they're going to be out. So I don't know. Every day there's a new email that comes from the district to update us on what's happening, and everything changes all the time. So as far as what we know now is that term 3 is closed. As far as what all the work that we've done for term 3 is already done, and what your grade in there now after I put in Lord of the Flies essays is what's going to be your final grade. And I have no idea about raising grades or doing those things. I'm certainly going to be a lot more generous with rounding purposes. So if you're at an 89.4, I think we could round that up maybe. But whatever your grade is right now is kind of what it's going to be. As far as what's going to be happening term 4, I hate to say it again, but we don't know. What they've been training us this whole week and what they're going to train us next, not next week, but the week after, because spring break is spring break for all of us, is that teachers are going to be preparing to teach online or teach some hybrid of online and then maybe come back in person. But as far as what we know right now, everything's going to be digital. It's going to be online, and it's going to be given to you guys in the easiest and best way possible. We just don't know what that's going to look like right now. Right now we're playing around with a web conferencing service called Zoom that will probably be laying out for you, but we don't know exactly what it's going to look like and exactly how long this is going to be going on. I just want you to know that I'm working hard. I'm doing the best I can to get everything done, to train myself, to make sure that I'm 100% prepared to give you the best education you can in this weird situation. So, sorry everything's weird. It sucks, and it's just kind of a bummer. And sorry that you're having to deal with all this stuff when life for you guys is difficult as it is. I am very, very available on email and through Neo and through whatever else. So if you have any questions at all, or if you're confused, or if you want to say like, hey, I have a 79.6%, is that going to go? Sure. Just please email me. I'll be getting back to you as best I can, but I have a lot of time and not a whole lot to do. My son and I are playing a lot of basketball in the backyard and wrestling around on the couch and playing baseball in the front yard. That's really my whole day, and to take care of my beautiful bride. Other than that, let me know what you need. Whatever all you need. If you just want to check in and ask why you got the grade you got, then please ask me. That's no problem at all. So whatever you guys need, just let me know. I'll be in contact again as soon as I know what's happening, as soon as I know what we're doing going forward. Please just be a little patient with us as we're figuring this out. I know about as much as you guys do. And the last thing is to make sure your parents are checking their emails and make sure that they're getting all of the stuff from the district and keeping up with best they can, because that's where all the updates are coming from, both for you and for me. So as long as everyone knows what's being sent out there, we shouldn't have any problem once things are a little more secure. Anyway, love you all. Hope you're being safe, and I'll get back to you soon.